Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable nightstand mode on your iPhone. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, I'm going to show you what is a nightstand. So when you plugged in and put your phone onto the landscaping mode, on the night you can see this option standing by on your iPhone. If it's on the night mode, it will be on the red. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, go to the settings option here, go to setting option and scroll down, and here you can see the option called standby. Click that option. Here the standby option is currently off. Click that toggle and make it green so it is turned on. So you can see the standby will turn on when the iPhone is placed on its side while charging to show information like widgets, photos and frame or clocks. And another option is night mode standby display with the red tint in the low ambient lighting. So I already showed that this is what it will look. But if I turn this off, like night mode is off, it will look like this, the red one. So you can adjust to your liking. So I'm gonna turn on the line night mode and show notification, like critical notification will shown in the standby if this switch is turned off. So I'm gonna do that and make it turn on, and also make this turn on. It says standby can hide the preview of the notification until you tap in. Like if I tap in, I can see the notification. So in this way you can easily make the standby option on your iPhone. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.